Isn't it frustrating when you find yourself doing all the work with your bank's chatbot? You're the one searching for answers, setting things up, and handling those surprise fees. But let's imagine a different scenario. What if your bank could take on more of the workload for you? That's where Altius comes in. Today, I'll show you how Altius is utilizing generative AI to enhance digital assistance for banks and financial institutions. Let's start by looking at what typical chatbots offer most financial institutions. Here's an example. Customer Alex receives a notification about a fee charge and wants to know the reason. So, he asks the chatbot, "Why did I get charged a fee?" The chatbot can explain the situation, yet it still leaves much of the resolution to Alex. Imagine a bank that not only provides answers, but takes action on your behalf. That's the enhanced experience Altius offers. When Alex notices a fee, instead of setting up auto transfers himself, he can ask the chatbot to handle it, even when he's on the go. Say goodbye to the hassle of navigating through menus or deciphering instructions. With Altius, managing your finances becomes seamless. What if your bank didn't just respond to issues, but actually helped you prevent them? Let's explore this further. Within this chatbot, there's an Insights panel. Here, customers have access to powerful AI insights about their accounts, whether it's spending analysis, credit health, or progress on saving for a down payment. These insights also include actionable AI tips. For example, Alex could save $200 monthly by cutting back on dining out. Our digital assistant can help automate this by setting up transfers to the house savings when spending is below budget. When Alex clicks to save, the digital assistant takes care of it. Your finances should support you, and with AI-driven insights, saving becomes straightforward. Altius presents these insights so you're ready to act. Why settle for anything less than ease? Imagine banking being as simple as having a conversation. Let's see what happens when Alex uses Altius on the move.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
Great, Ally. Thanks for asking. I'm doing fantastic, too.
I'm here and ready to help you with anything you need. So, is there anything on your mind today?
Yeah. Is there anything I should keep an eye on in my accounts?
Yes, there is. I noticed that your Spotify subscription is about to hit your credit card, and it would have pushed your balance close to the limit. But no worries. I transferred $30 from your savings to cover it. All sorted. Anything else you'd like to check on?
That's great, Ally. You're the best.
No problem at all. That's what I'm here for. Hey, while I've got you, do you have a minute to look at some insights about your spending?
Yeah,
I noticed some interesting patterns that could be helpful.
sure I do.
Awesome. Can you tap on the Insights tab in the top corner? Let me know when you're there. Awesome.
I'm there.
Great. I've got a few different areas we can explore today. Where would you like to start? Your credit overview, spending patterns, or your house savings progress?
Let's check out my spending patterns.
Let's dive into that. So here's what I'm seeing in your spending this month, and I've got to say, I'm really impressed. You've spent $450 on dining out, which is down 25% from last month. Look at you making those home-cooked meals happen. Your entertainment spending dropped to $200. That's 33% less than last month. Netflix and chill instead of movie theaters, perhaps? Shopping is at $350, which is 13% lower than usual. Those online shopping carts aren't winning against your willpower. The only slight increase was utilities at $180, just 3% more than normal. Probably that heat wave we had last week, right? What do you think about these changes? Anything surprise you?
Not really, Ally. Thanks, but I'm wondering how I can speed up my house savings.
Great question. I've been thinking about this for you, actually. Based on your spending patterns, I've got a perfect two-part strategy. First, what if we set up an automatic 1% increase to your house fund contributions each month? It's small enough that you'll barely notice, but it adds up in a big way. Second, and this is the magic part, We could put that money into a high-yield savings account. With current rates around 4.35% APY, your money would be working harder for you while staying FDIC insured. Would you like me to set that up for you? It would really accelerate your timeline.
That sounds perfect, Ally.
Give me just a sec to set that up for you. I want to make sure everything's just right. And done. Your house fund boost is all ready to go. Here's what I've arranged. I've set up that 1% monthly increase in your contributions. You're currently saving $800. Next month will be $808, and by the end of the year, you'll be putting away $892 every month. The high-yield savings account is all set at 4.35% APY. You'll earn about $840 in interest this year alone. That's practically free money. Be on the lookout for account signature forms in your email. Want to hear the best part? This changes your house fund timeline in a big way. You'll hit your goal by October 2025 instead of December. That's 2 months earlier. Plus, you'll have an extra $2,400 saved up. I know how much this house means to you, Alex. How does that timeline sound? Anything else you want to adjust to get there even faster?
No, that's perfect, Ally. Thanks for everything today. You're welcome.
I'm so excited to see you getting closer to that dream house. Those keys will be in your hand before you know it. Let's catch up next week to see how the new plan is working. Have an amazing day.
This isn't merely a chatbot. It's your personal banker, always ready to assist. And this is only the beginning. With Altius, your bank is there for you, anywhere, anytime.